I lost friends, family, and any innocence left inside of me. And I will never be the same. I'm sadly not the first person this has happened to, because these events happen once in a few years, putting holes in the reality we see and live, and denting the ground we stand on. On October 7th, that ground was not only dented, but broke from beneath us. As tough as that may be, for change to occur, this ground must break so we can be able to build a new one, a stronger and brighter one. The future can be brighter. Just like I was able to become stronger after such a terrible event, if we as a community choose to seize this opportunity with two hands to make change correctly, we can show that there is no power stronger than the one of a strong, united community. So with that power, we can create change and be the generation in history that said no to terrorism and fought for freedom and peace together.